Struggling to figure out how to put a drill bit in that power tool with the 3 metal claws at the end? Okay, so here's the deal. That black part on the end is called the chuck. You gotta twist that outer ring counterclockwise with your hand to open up those 3 little jaws. Once they open wide enough, just pop in your drill bit. Then twist the chuck back clockwise, super tight so the bit doesn't wiggle or fall out when you're working. If it feels stuck or jammed, don't freak out. Sometimes the trick is to hold the chuck tightly and put the drill in reverse mode, then turn it on gently. That motion can free up a jammed chuck. If your fingers start burning because of all the friction when you turn it by hand, wrap a piece of cloth or your shirt sleeve around it for some grip and protection. Just be careful with heavy-duty drills, F to 7. They can torque your wrist if you're not paying attention when you twist the chuck. Trust me, I've learned that one the hard way more than once. One of the biggest mistakes people make with drill bits and chucks is forcing the bit in without opening the chuck fully, which can jam everything up. The fix? Always make sure to spin that chuck all the way open before trying to insert your bit. Another common issue is not tightening the chuck enough after inserting the bit, causing the bit to slip during use. Just remember to crank it tight by hand and give it a little extra twist clockwise. Lastly, some folks ignore signs that the chuck is damaged or rusted, which can lead to it getting stuck or broken. If you notice stiffness or unusual resistance, try cleaning it with some lubricant or consider replacing parts before using it again. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more gigs by showcasing your skills to people who actually need your help without all the usual hassle.